Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, Daily on Supercars. We're here with Eddie. Eddie, this is something beautiful. It's a sedan. Talk to us.
So this here is a 1990 Nissan Skyline R32 GTS4. Essentially what you're looking at here is a GTS-T engine, RB20 DET. What makes this a GTS4 is the fact it's an all-wheel drive. So it shares suspension and drivetrain with an R32 GTR. Now I've owned it for about 4 years now. I got it with bone stock. Today, as you're looking at it, I've upgraded the turbo to a Garrett 2860 RS. I'm running 1000cc injectors, front mount Blitz intercooler, standalone ECU. What else we got here? Coilover suspension, running factory brakes. My whole idea is OEM Plus. So everything in this car works. Radio, you know, suspension is nice and quiet. All-wheel drive works. AC is key.
The AC works.
AC works.
Oh man,
I get 40 degrees out of the vents.
You're killing them slowly.
I'm killing them slowly.
Oh man.
Interior-wise, I have R32 GTR seats, recently wrapped with superior automotive creative leather, front and rear.
These are some clean seats.
Thank you. Triple gauge pod there, custom designed. I designed it, and now you can get it through outside the garage. Double din radio with Apple CarPlay. Again, keeping to that OEM Plus everyday function.
Talk to us about these wheels and tires. What you got on here?
So I have raised 57 DRs. They're 17 by 9.5. Wrap with some all-season tires just because I do like to take it out all year round.
Ooh, so this is
nice.
You're talking to me. This is a daily. We're on the daily on Supercars. Okay.
It can be daily. Do I daily it? No. But if I wanted to, I really could.
Exactly.
You know.
Exactly.
Carbon fiber spoiler, which is nice.
Yeah, let them get the glimpse of that, because some people see it on the channel. They might think it's black. Don't get it confused, guys.
Here we have really your main difference between a coupe and a sedan is your rear end here. These tail lights are sedan specific. These I've retrofitted to have double LED halo rings and sequential turn signals, just to keep it updated, modernize this 30-year-old car.
Of course. And no, it looks brand new by the paint job and everything. Again, it looks brand new.
And believe it or not, I haven't touched the paint other than the side skirts that I added on.
So you're telling me that this is a factory paint?
This is factory paint.
Wow. Guys, I can't put it into words right now. Again, yeah, the paint looks brand new. I thought he painted the car. He's telling me that it is not painted, so you guys can imagine what we were looking at. And what are your plans for the future for the car?
Future, just keep restoring things here and there. A lot of the sedan parts aren't available, so I'm trying to send out my good pieces so that refurbished pieces get made to help the rest of the community that has Skyline.
So the pieces can go back around to other.
Yep.
Okay.
To make brand new OEM quality Peaks.
Yeah, I can imagine. Again, we in the States, it's hard for us to get these pieces, but you know, if you ship them out, they do what they got to do and send them back. There we go.
Yeah.
The love is all around.
This car was featured in the New York Auto Show this year at the Javits Center.
Wow.
With the R2X.
Wow.
Which is an experience on its own. Not a lot of people can say their car was at the Javits Center for the New York Auto Show.
They cannot.
I'm very happy to be part of the display there.
Wow. Thank you for that. Again, guys, I can't put it into words. This is something amazing. This gray color, it's something, again, that he's telling me it's factory. I got to take him on it. But it is amazing. It has a sparkle to it. Hopefully you guys can get it. It is an amazing thing. And again, this is a sedan and it's all-wheel drive. Thank you, gentlemen, for the time. And hopefully we could do it again.